Let's dive into an amazing lineup of gadgets made to make your life easier and more exciting. Number 1, Anker Capsule. 2, Projector. We used to boast about big TVs in our houses. What if you could get a 100-inch HD screen with something as big as your soda can? Yep, Nebula Capsule can do that. It's an Android TV pocket cinema. What other features does it hide? Well, it has a built-in Chromecast. There are thousands of Android TV apps, and it automatically focuses the image in just 1 second. To say simpler, you can watch literally any movie or program, in and outside if you want, in no time. The pick won't disappoint you, even if the environment is bright enough. Same goes for the sound. Lazy to pick manually? Ask the voice assistant to do that. Want to play a little? Okay, connect the device to your console and launch the game. Maybe it's time to boast with the projectors. Number 2, Syro Bricks. Meet one of the most customizable lamps of all times. Right, you are. This is a set of 16 hexagonal panels you can assemble any way you like. Not enough? Get an additional set. So once you're done with pulling all the parts together, pair this thing with the app on your phone for complete control over color modes, preset color scenes, brightness levels, and so on. Or use the included remote for that. Or just pick that music mode when the colors react to your favorite song's beats. Number 3, pull-up suitcase. Is there a bag, or better say a suitcase, where all my clothes will be neatly organized? Yes, there is. Okay, so there are some packing cubes for your shoes, shirt, and other essentials. But how to pack all of them into a suitcase? Well, pull the upper part and bang, you've got a mobile closet. The lower part with shelves is for some big things. The upper part also has 2 shelves, but for some smaller stuff. It's time to check out. Fold the suitcase and you're ready to go. Having trouble with dragging the suitcase all over the airport? The Airwheel SE3S is lightweight and can easily switch between being a ride-on scooter or a pull-behind suitcase with just a push of a button. Plus, it's got a rechargeable battery that's perfect for packing and meets airline carry-on requirements. Need to juice up your phone? There's a high-speed USB output port on the outside. As for security, the TSA custom combination lock will keep your stuff safe. The Airwheel can carry up to 265 pounds with a top speed of 8 miles per hour. Number 4, InMotion electric unicycle. Did you have a chance to ride a unicycle? You know, it's a pesky vehicle that demands a good road surface, but not the V12. This unicycle is ready to give you a ride in any conditions. Yeah, off-road too. So, first, the built-in powerful motor delivers up to 37 miles per hour speed and conquers any kind of hill up to 45 degrees. The V12 is packed with features, from the full-color touchscreen, automatic headlight, IPX5 rating, innovative kickstand, and smart BMS for keeping your battery healthy. Not to mention that juicy RGB and loud Bluetooth speakers for music playback and system alerts. Finally, a fully charged vehicle will cover up to 60 miles. Number 5, MagBeat. Another fancy phone stand? Well, yes and no. Sure, MagBeat can be used as a stand, but its primary function is to deliver powerful spatial audio and robust bass within a 30-foot range. With its convenient MagSafe design, this speaker also doubles as a 15-watt wireless charger and a 1280 milliamp hour power bank, ensuring your device never runs out of power. Be it at home, in the studio, or on the go, MagBeat is your ultimate sound companion. Number 6, Ember Smart Mug 2. Can you imagine your life without hot, delicious coffee? The Ember Smart Mug 2 will take care of your drink. You can set the needed temperature between 120 and 145 degrees Fahrenheit on the touch display or via the app. The app remembers the settings and has several preset options for drinks, such as tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. The device works up to 3 hours on one charge, but the included coaster will prolong that time. Here's Ember Mug 2, another option for your office. It's available in 2 sizes and will maintain the ideal temperature for up to 90 minutes. Once again, the included coaster will ensure that all day long. Number 7, Fluentalk T1 Mini Translator device. You can't always rely on your online translator, right? Well, that's where the T1 Mini Translator jumps in to save the day. It nails offline translation in 13 languages like a boss. But here's the kicker. When you're connected to Wi-Fi, it expands to 39 online languages and 88 accents. Communication just got a whole lot easier. And get this, if you need to translate some text, just snap a photo and let the translator do its magic. Number 8, Soundcore Liberty 4 NC. Are you satisfied with the sound your headphones or earbuds produce? Even if the answer is yes, I have a pair of Soundcore Liberty 4 NC by Anker that will impress you. Aside from sounding great, the primary focus of these earbuds is noise cancellation with adaptive ANC 2.0. They tailor the noise canceling curve to your individual ear shape and environment, eliminating distractions and enveloping you in pure sound. In case you're still not satisfied, feel free to customize it in the Soundcore app. Here, you can adjust the equalizer settings, change the modes, and so on. By the way, these are the earbuds you can connect to 2 devices at the same time. When you need to answer a call, Touch the earbud and 6 Mix provide you with superior call quality. Need to adjust the volume or change the track? Once again, just Touch the earbud. Worried about battery life? The Liberty 4 NC provides 10 hours of playtime, extendable to a whopping 50 hours with the charging case. A quick 10-minute charge offers 4 hours of listening, and you can even charge them wirelessly for added convenience. Anyway, the light indicator will tell you the battery status. Finally, the Liberty 4 NC gives you great sound quality and the same functionality as other big brands, but for a way more affordable price. So click the link in the description to check them out. Number 9, CuBLOCK. Traditional power strips are often bulky and inflexible, failing to fulfill the demands of our modern devices. But CuBLOCK changes the game with its modular design, allowing you to customize your power strip to your specific needs. With 90-degree adjustable plugs, CuBLOCK solves the problem of accommodating bulky adapters and ensures a neat and organized workspace. The lock mechanism secures the modules with up to 20 pounds of force, preventing accidental detachment. The safety switch protects against power surges. With accessory plugs like a 45-watt USB charger, sensor lamps, and Bluetooth speakers, CuBLOCK enhances its versatility. You'll finally free your desktop from cable clutter. Number 10, Ampulla Horizon Bedside Lamp. Here's a tiny tree, the Ampulla Horizon Bedside Lamp that'll complement your bedside table and won't require a single drop of water, just a regular power source. There's a touch panel with a digital clock at the top of the crown for all the settings. In case you forget to turn the lamp off, it'll do that automatically in 30 minutes. You'll hear the birds singing inside. It also has a built-in speaker. Finally, the lamp will ensure that your phone is fully charged in the morning, just like you. Number 11, the Torch L1 Headlamp. Having a tiny yet powerful flashlight nearby is always handy, isn't it? This one by EST is super compact, yet gives you an impressive light beam. One more significant pro is that there are so many ways you can hold it. Clip it onto your baseball cap or wear it using the headband to light up your way. You can also clip it on your belt loop, hold it in your hands, or stick its magnet bottom on the hood of your car. Plus, the flashlight can withstand all kinds of abuse. Sink it into water or run over it. The device will handle it. You just need to find it afterward, since it's so small. Finally, this waterproof flashlight recharges via USB, so you can juice it up right in your car if it runs out of power. Number 12, Kootenay Titanium Carabiner. That metal B looks great. What is that? A carabiner? Yep. Kootenay is a multi-purpose, dual-zone carabiner. Why do you need two zones? Well, this feature makes it nearly impossible for important objects to accidentally fall and get lost. The first zone might be used for clipping this thing to your jeans, while the other will keep all your stuff safe and sound. And most importantly, easy to access. Got too much stuff, so you need two zones? No problem. There's a metal clip on the back. Finally, the carabiner is made of titanium, so it'll serve you for ages. Number 13, the Reinkstone R1. E-paper tablets have been around for a while, but the Reinkstone R1 takes it to the next level with a 10.1-inch screen featuring new color e-paper technology. It's perfect for reading books, reviewing documents, jotting down notes, and even sketching your illustrations. And get this, you can turn your notes into printed text in a snap. Plus, you can adjust the lighting for a more comfortable experience. No time to read? The built-in speakers will play your audiobook for you. And the best part? It's lightweight and the battery lasts up to 3 weeks on a single charge. For more information on these products, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in technology and innovation. That's it for today, folks, and see you in the next one.